Hello everyone, my name is Ricardo Pavon. Today I'm going to talk to you about my solution problem for English 10A. This is about my major project. So, firstly, 2 years ago I started to think about what I want to do with my final project for my career. So I want to mix two things. One thing that I love, my career, in this case, chemical engineer. So I'm a chemical engineer. I can design products, but what kind of product I can design for climb? So I put my eyes in the climbing hole because the climbing holes are composites. The composites are materials that are, a mix of materials. In this case, a thermoresin, a thermoset resin, and a fiber, like glass fiber or things like that. But I wanted to do more bio. So, my project is about the characterization and evaluation of thermoset resin in combination of rice husks for the development of a composite at its potential using climbing holes. So the situation, I'm going to do the climbing hole, my product, and the raw materials are thermoset resins and fiber that if you mix it, you can obtain a composite. My fibers, my thermoset resins are epoxy resins and polyester resins, and my fiber are rice husks. So another thing that you need to know is what is root setting. Root setting is it's a work that some people do. This work is about put the climbing holes in the wall. So this is the problem. The problem is that the climbing holes are too heavy and too fragile. If are too heavy, these root setter, these people are going to have injuries, or a lot of things, bad things, and are fragile. So this is this is important for the people who buy them because it's a bad inversion in this case for the climbing gyms. So my solution is do a new product, basically a biocomposite. I wanted to do something good for nature, of course. Yeah, I wanted to do a composite, so I need to do some tests, characterize the resin, characterize the fiber, how these two can work. So I need to do a lot of tests about you can see in this image the resins and the fibers. You mix it and you put it in a mold and you obtain the climbing hole. This is an impact test. This impact test can show you the absorber energy of the material. So I obtained good results about. This is another test. This is a flexural test for the composite. Also I obtained good results about. And this is my final product. If you see, my climbing hole is like have good qualities. I obtain a product less heavy, less fragile, and and if you see in the left part of this, you can see a picture. This picture is a microscopy of the mix of the. If you see here in the mouse, you can see this is the rice husks mixed with the thermoset resin, and you can see holes and other things about, and you can say, this mix good or not, and you can say, I obtained good results. In this case, I have these holes, but they are not cause a lot of problems. Okay, and the evaluation is I do a biocomposite with rice husks and polyester resin. Finally, I obtain good quality. I obtain a product less expensive because I use less resin and more rice that are the rice husks is a product that you can find in a lot of places and is not expensive. So I obtained my product and with good results, and I be so happy because, well, I passed my project. So yes, thank you for listening and have good day. Bye.